again. Do it again. Do it again.
No.
Again.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
All good here. I'll let Katie do it now.
I'll do it. Even though it's kind of broken, she's gonna boost me. Watch.
Boosted me. Well, you tried to.
You deserved it.
Ow. Ready? And you go.
Stop.
Freaking stabbed me when I did it. Gosh, that hurt. Look at my wound.
Oh, and the front's gonna get you too.
Oh God.
Get in, Katie.
Come on, I think the one's broken more.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. Wait, this is the broken part.
It's gonna freaking stab you.
It's gonna freaking stab everyone.
Did it stab you, Lexi?
Oh God, I'm scared. Ugh.
It was very dangerous when we did it with 2 people.
No! Ow, my toe!
I'm burned now.
Oh, geez. Sorry, I want to do it now.
All right, here, I'll do it.
Oh, my toe!
Gotta do this for me.
Ow. My toe hurts.
Boosting you guys.
Lexi.
I'm the only one that wanted.
You have 1 blue stare and then all the rest.
It's fine now.
Go!
Oh God! Why am I always in bad luck?
Because you're stupid. I'm Just kidding. Just kidding. Well, we're done with this, so thanks for watching, guys. Oh, you're welcome.
Stop it.